Here's our 2017 Wildcat by Forest River. Now this camper actually has 3 slide outs. It does come with a salvage title due to some rear end damage. Let me get it under it here. We've got it hooked up here to the truck just so we can get some power inside the camper. It does have one awning up top. As you can see, it was rear-ended. This rear bumper did get crushed. We did price. You can weld a new rear bumper on. The rear bumper, we're told, is about $200. So you just snip it off here, and then on the other side, these frame rails here look, they're not crushed or anything like that. So basically just cut the bumper off, weld a new one on. You can see it did get a little bit of the back wall here. Not very much of it at all. And pretty much it covers it all up with the tire. You could probably save that rear bumper if you really wanted to as well. But there is no damage here on the sides. Or even up on the roof, there's no damage. Here we come inside. As you can see, we've got everything kind of running here. Got the AC is running, just so you can hear that unit working. The TV's on. Fireplace is running. Microwave's on. Here we have all 3 slide outs are slid out. We have 2 here in the living area. This here is also the RV. This is the owner's manual, facts, resources, all of that. Here's our thermostat. Now this unit is fully winterized. Everything's been tested, checked. There's no problems whatsoever as far as anything goes. Like I say, it has been winterized. There's no frozen lines or anything along those lines. The other slide out here is this closet in the bedroom, and this has slid out. Of course, we've got storage up in here and storage in here as well. And up here we have the mounts for the TV if you want to put a TV in here. They're fairly inexpensive. Well, that's going to conclude our video for the day. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a good day.